Okay, hello everyone, this is William from J Company. Welcome to our A4C roadshow on site. We can see it's crowd people is joining our A4C launch event. They are very interested in our A4C performance. We just see one beautiful lady to join our A4C parameter. He's very satisfied with its machine performance, and he said this is amazing machine. And we can see we can cross the seam and cross some of the heavy duty. It's very smooth without any trouble, without any traffic. We just see this machine is really exciting machine. And let's see who will win the big prize. We first prize earn and we also have prepared some small gift for all the participants, and they will win the special prize and. They will see our A4C machine is a really good machine, and the parameter is excellent, and everything is excellent. And also, I think this machine will sell very hot in this marketing, and everyone will see A4C is a good machine, and in the future the sales will be high. So, okay, that's all. Thank you for attending our on-site A4C launch event. I hope you can join this on-site launch event in the future. Hope you are coming. Hopefully, thank you.